Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share OnlyFans links on Instagram. So I just tap on my browser and logged into my account and how it's possible to share on Instagram. So I will random any profile. You will see this person, Dream Boy, go to Bournemouth and Southend. So I just tap on this profile. I want to share this profile on my Instagram. So here in the top right corner, you will see there is the share icon, which is right. You will see after a star icon. So just tap on it and tap to three dots to more and find Instagram chat. So after proceeding this, you will find this Instagram icon. Just tap on it. So black is for privacy. I just logged on my Instagram. So after here, you can in the search bar you will search a friend to send this link. So I will just search my friend and send it this blue icon and just tap to done. And here you will see I send it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.